Welcome to all. Today we will discuss about the video lecture series on the topic of drones and its applications. What is a drone? Basically, drones is a relatively small size remote control or automatic pilotless aircraft. It having the advantages of cheap and cost effective and high spatial resolution, high accuracy, easier to deploy, no hindrance from clouds, a great tool for surveillance. And drones also having some level of disadvantages is reason limited capabilities and coverages, care required to use in populated areas, chances of misuse due to an easy operation, and the type of drone and their uses it will be in a multi-rotor, it having a flying limit of up to 500 meter from the ground level, and flying time it's 20 to 30 minutes, and it having the coverage of 0.4 to 0.8 kilometer meter square per flight, and it having a range of 5 kilometer, and fixed wing it having the limit up to 1000 meter, and the flying time it will be minimum 1 hour, and it having the coverage limit of 10 to 40 kilometer square per flight, and it having the wing span length of 1 to 2 meter, and it having a range of 30 to 60 kilometer. And difference between the multi-rotor and fixed wing rotor, it with respect to the financial purpose it will be cheap, it's comparing with the fixed wing, and easier to operate, and it needed to experienced operators, and vertical and easy landing, and short flights and low coverage, and it's suitable for a local mapping and comply with aviation regulation. And fixed wing it is a relatively expensive and need experienced operators, and horizontal landing and need sufficient space, and long flight and high coverage, and it's suitable for a large area mapping and often needs a permission to fly. And flying time of particular drones or will be here. For example, the name of a solo it will be having a time of 40 minutes, and IRIS DJI it's a Phantom of 3 and 4 series will be the time duration of 40 minutes, and Sensefly and Siri Pro it will be the time of 1 hour. And it having some camera sensors used in drones, it's RGB cameras, these are the which will be for the condition monitoring, and some area will be capturing from using this type of camera. And lidar sensor it provide a high definition and a three-dimensional information about the surrounding environment, in the name of it is localized velodyne apac light. And sensors is used in drones are is in a thermal sensor, it measuring the temperature, the limit of minus 40 degrees Celsius to 160 degrees Celsius, with the resolution of 0.1 cubic. And multispectral cameras it analyzes the crab condition, it will be the name of parrot sequoia and mescanas red edge. And cost of fixed wing and wing drones, it is a model is in a Trumbull UX, it having specifications of flying time is almost 1 hour, and the coverage of 10 to 40 kilometers square area for flight, and resolution is up to 1 centimeter pixel, and accuracy it will be in 3 centimeter. And a custom build and semi-flying ductless it will be the similar to the above specification, and will be the price of with USD is 25,000 to 10,000. And cost of a multi drones it having a DJI Phantom for example, it having the price of $1,200 in the flying time of maximum 30 minutes, and it coverage area was 0.5 kilometer square per flight area, and the resolution is up to 1 centimeter, and accuracy will be in 3 centimeter. So comparing with these specifications and the materials will be used, we will make it a fixed wing drones, and we will test it from that, and we will make for variable wings or rotor wings drones, we will make it a prototype from some techniques is using 3D printing, and some electrical techniques will be Arduino board, and we will conduct it, we will be combined as a successful drone, and we will test it, it will be ready to fly. Basically drones will be applicable in a lot of advantages will be in surveying and mapping areas, and infrastructure for planning and disaster management also. These are the some clips. Video lecture series is about drones and its applications. Thank you.